Welcome back, Brain Warriors. Today's question is actually about the keto diet. So it says, I'm successfully doing healthy keto with recipes from Tana's cookbooks and intermittent fasting from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. But I need to take one of my medicines, Focus and Energy. Side note, Focus and Energy is actually one of our supplements. I'll get back to that. And it needs to be taken in the morning with food because I'm starting to have difficulty sleeping deeply through the night. What can I eat that will not mess up the progress that I have made? I'm down from 162 pounds to 140 pounds, and I am also gluten and dairy free. Thank you. Okay, Deborah, well, first of all, congratulations. I want to start there. That's awesome progress. So to go from 162 to 140 pounds is amazing. So that's excellent. And the fact that you have adapted the recipes, which I made them intentionally to be that way, adapted the recipes to be able to do with your keto program, awesome. They've also been written so that vegan, whether you're vegan or a caveman, you can sort of modify them. So good on you for doing that. Back to your question, how can you do this and not mess up your progress and still have something to eat in the morning along with your, you had listed medicine, but I want to clarify for people listening, Focus and Energy is one of our supplements. And yes, you are correct. Focus and Energy needs to be taken in the morning. Sounds like you may have been taking it later in the day. Focus and Energy will keep you awake if you take it later, for a lot of people later in the day, because it is intended, as the name implies, to give you focus and energy, which you do not want as it gets closer to bedtime. So definitely take it in the morning as you suggested. And what I would suggest, it is a supplement. You don't need to take it with a full meal. So I think what you're trying to do is stay with your intermittent fasting, not have a full meal, and you're trying to stick with your keto type program. That's not too hard. What you need to do is just take a couple bites of something, right? So yeah, that's technically not fasting, but it's also not eating a big meal. It's not going to burden your body with a big meal. So if that's what your goal is, then try a couple bites of avocado or a couple, like a tablespoon of unsweetened nut butter. You shouldn't have to have more than that, and it shouldn't make you feel sick as long as you're having something in your gut. Try that. So you shouldn't have to have a full meal along with that. And that is keto. So that will keep you on track with your keto program. I hope that helps. Be sure to subscribe and tap the bell on the side, and you'll be notified when more videos come out. And if you want to get a copy of the Brain Warriors Way cookbook, enter our raffle, which is actually our weekly drawing, for a free cookbook. And all you have to do to get entered into that drawing is go to tanaamen.com and make sure you go to the contact page. Enter in the subject line, free book, or free drawing, we'll know what you mean, free book, free drawing, and leave me a question. So I'd love to answer your question. It doesn't just help you, it helps everybody listening. So make sure you're leaving me questions, and in order to incentivize you on those questions, we are giving away free books. So go to tanaamen.com. Thanks a lot.